If you want to keep your costs relatively the same, but improve on your productivity and make more money, automation is key. Hi, my name's Josh Kemp and I'm the CEO of Kelford Cams. Kelford Cams is a world-renowned company for performance aftermarket valve train.
Back in 1967 in Christchurch, New Zealand, two motorsport enthusiasts, Norm Kelly and Ron Rutherford, set out to turn passion into precision. That's how Kelford Cams was born. They saw a gap in the market for high-performance valve train parts and built a company that has grown from local speedway roots into a global name.
So Norm and Ron took it upon themselves to open up Kelford Cams, and this is the company we are today. We have 25 staff and we are growing. The last 12 months we've employed a further 6-7 staff, and one of our new staff members is our robot.
From camshafts and valve springs to rocker arms, every part is designed, developed and produced in-house, combining decades of experience with the latest technology.
Our products have always speak for themselves. They're highly sought after in the performance aftermarket. We have no real competition when it comes to results. We dominate on all racetracks. Our products are in some of the fastest cars in the world.
From local speedway routes to record-breaking global motorsport, Kelford's reputation is built on performance.
Some of the biggest challenges that Kelford faced was the fact that we have 3 turning centres that were feeding our product into our mill. So the product that the lathe was creating was spools. So that's a round form of a camshaft prior to having any of the lobe or rough lobe machining done.
Kelford faced a challenge familiar to many manufacturers: production bottlenecks. Instead of adding more labour and machines, they turned to automation, investing in a smooth operator to keep the flow moving.
Pre-robot, we were able to produce around 16 camshafts per day. Obviously, we're limited to labour, so an 8-hour shift. With the robot, for the same part, now produce 48 camshafts in 24 hours. And we have no bottleneck problems anymore.
With automation, bottlenecks disappeared and productivity tripled, all without adding extra labour. To match the output of a single robot, Kelford would have needed 2 extra machines and 2 more operators, proving robotics deliver full throttle performance without the extra cost. Once the smooth operator is programmed for a part, changeovers take less than an hour.
If you want to keep your costs relatively the same, but improve on your productivity and make more money, automation is key.
The investment paid for itself in just 3 months. But behind the technology, it's the drive and passion of the Kelford team that truly fuels success.
My name is Rupert Finlay. I am a CNC operator and programmer at Kelford Cams. I treat the robot as its own CNC machine. As sort of Josh mentioned earlier, we've got 3 machines that feed into this one machine. If this machine needs work done on it, whatever I'm doing can stop, I'll jump on here, I'll make sure that robot's ready to go.
In the past, the mill could only run while an operator was present, 8 hours at most. Automation changed that, allowing production to continue through the night, picking up again the next morning.
With this thing now, especially with our new upgraded rack, we can get 24 hours straight with basically no one watching it the entire time. We've got no machine downtime essentially. After looking at a few of the different brands and what we really wanted out of it, I think we were both pretty in agreement we wanted the Cobot. And considering the relationship we already have with Iscar and New Zealand Machine Tools, it was a no-brainer who we were going to go with.
Where do I see Kelford in the next 18 months? Having 3 robots, a second mill, and Kelford Cams able to produce 90 camshafts per day.
For the team on the floor, the Smooth Operator robot has become more than a tool. It's a trusted co-worker. Kelford's investment in automation is already paying off, increasing capacity, cutting downtime, and keeping them ahead in the global race for performance.